What's going on, guys? It's been a little while since I put out a video, but just wanted to show you that I actually put some 35s on my Sport here, and didn't take much actually to do it. This is a Sport with no max toe. I got some 35 by 12 and a half, 35 by 12 and a half by 20. These are 20 by 10 rims. You got a little bit of tire poke here, nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. In my opinion, it looks good. All I had to do, didn't do anything to the rear. Left it exactly how it came from the factory. I put the Rough Country 2.5 leveling kit on, and very simple actually. It took about 2 hours to get it all done. Let's see if I can get in here. Alright, basically all it is the sway bar link right here, extended, that puck right over here, and then a bump stop. Can you get it? I can't see it. Let me come back here. The bump stop right here, right there, and you know, a little bit of effort. We got plenty of clearance here, as you guys can see. Oh, I also had the air dams on the front here, which I removed. If I didn't remove that, that would not work. But there's plenty of clearance here. I mean, I got some good amount of room here, good amount of clearance all the way around, no rubbing. You know, basically the kit cost me $100. Lifted up the front level end here, leveled it right off. It's actually a perfect level. You know, I was kind of a little spectated. I wasn't sure if it was going to be okay, because it looked like it was, you know, a little higher on the front end, but it's actually looks really good. It's a perfect level, that 2.5 inch. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But that's about it. I mean, the thing looks pretty sweet in my opinion. You know, $100 for the kit, a set of new wheels, 35s, 35 by 20. That's what they are. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.